Hi and welcome to part 2 of the ambient illumination modification in Golf MK7. Over here I have the rear door cards, and this one is already slightly modified. As you can see, there's an LED fitted over here, and I can control it with this button. And we have this ambient illumination behind the handlebar for the rear door. And this door card is not modified yet. I only took off this cover, which you need to pry from underneath, and then it comes out. And also in this door card I already have this part modified. I needed to cut out some of the plastic. Over here there's the original. There's no room over here for the light, so I will cut that out as well. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, and that's it for today. As can you see, the warning light is working, and the illumination over here is very dim. but this is how it's done in the front door, and I want to match the rear ones to the front ones. So I've used an 60 kilo ohm resistor to limit the current that is flowing to the LED over here. You can barely see it, but that's the whole point. It should be barely visible. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this part, and subscribe for part 3 of this tutorial. See you soon.